Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Real United States video blog. I'm your host Paul Campbell, and as always behind the camera is my camera operator and wife Beverly Campbell. We're here in Big Rapids, Michigan in front of Tractor Supply. Now Tractor Supply is a chain of agricultural supply stores across the United States. They supply things for both hobby farms and full-blown industrial agricultural farms. And today they're having a special event with some live animals indoors that have been brought in for display. And we'd like to take you inside and show you some of these. One of the interesting things is a Watusi cow. They're from Africa, apparently. Rather interesting looking animal. This is a fairly young individual, but very pretty specimen. We're going to show you that and some of the other animals that they have inside for this special event. So we'd like to thank you for joining us here on the Real United States Video Blog. We hope you've enjoyed this episode here, this short episode about Tractor Supply Company here in the United States. If you haven't already, we encourage you to pick subscribe and join us for future episodes. If you have questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. We try to get back to everyone as soon as we possibly can. We ask that you share this video with your friends and family. That really helps us out a lot. And as always, thank you for watching. Never fails.
Never fails. I guess you can just do a fade out at the end. This is going in the bloopers reel. You do know that.
Yeah, this is definitely going in the bloopers reel.